All right. We are in the fourth quarter of the year, and we are in the fourth quarter of the Sephora event, okay? And y'all know how it goes. When the Sephora event starts, you already have your preliminary cart ready to go, right? You have your cart sitting there, and as soon as Sephora says go, you say how much, and then you just check out and you have your order on your doorstep before you know it. But because the Sephora event is an event, so it lasts several days, most of us, myself included, find ourselves making several carts, placing several orders, and that's where I'm at right now. So I definitely have a good amount of makeup that I've already purchased, but I still have my eye on a few more pieces. So that's what brings us here today. This is my last minute Sephora wish list. So I may buy some of these things, I may not buy some of these things, but just know I have my eye on them and your girl is interested. So let's talk about some things that I still have my eye on. Before I get into that, I do want to thank Top Cashback for working with me on today's video. Thank you so much for continuously supporting me and the Kel Bell community. If you guys don't know what Top Cashback is, it is a rebate website where you are able to save cash on purchases that you are going to make anyways. And what I mean by that is that you can shop on thousands of different retailers' websites, and depending on where you're shopping, there's going to be a percentage of cash back that is available to you, and you're checking out buying things that you were already going to buy. But the difference is once you sign up for Top Cashback, you're now able to save some of that money, a percentage of that money, and it comes back to you. Top Cashback. Y'all, I love Top Cashback. It's one of those tools that you need to have in your arsenal if you are a shopper. And all of us are shoppers, okay? All of us are. That's why you're here. You're a shopper. To sign up for Top Cashback is super easy. You just need your email address, a password, and from there, you're locked in. You sign up using my link down below, and if it's a new sign up, you do get a bonus, a $10 sign up bonus. Plus, on top of that, you're able to save on whatever website you're shopping at. Today, we're shopping at Sephora, of course. So the $10 sign up bonus for new accounts plus that percentage back, it's like free money. You're leaving money on the table if you're not signing up for Top Cashback. Seriously. Not only do they have Sephora on their website, but they have countless other makeup retailers as well as thousands of other retailers not related to makeup. So don't think if you don't buy a lot of makeup online that you can't use Top Cashback, because you absolutely can. And what I love about Top Cashback as well is that they offer the highest Top Cashback percentage to you in comparison to their competitors. So you're saving money, you're saving the most amount of money, so you're getting the biggest bang for your buck, and it's easy to use. They even have an extension that you can download, and whenever you're on a website that utilizes Top Cashback's system, it pops up and alerts you, so you don't even have to think about it. You know, it's a no-brainer. So you're getting paid to shop at your favorite stores, essentially. So like I said, I will have a link for you guys to sign up down in my description box. Run, do not walk. Go ahead and sign up and start saving cash today. Get that Top Cash back, ladies and gentlemen. So with that being said, your girl will be getting her Top Cash back on if and when I choose to purchase more during the Sephora event, okay? Because I will get that Top Cash back, and I'm gonna save that percentage on Sephora's website. So, you know, can't beat that. So let's go ahead and dive into what I have my pretty little eye on. I'm gonna scoot over and insert images because of course I don't have these products, so there's that. Y'all see my little skeleton buddy back here? A little skull. I bought that for, you know, the creepy season, Halloween, but I didn't get a chance to film not one video in October, so this is gonna hang out here for at least 2 more videos so I can at least feel like I got my money's worth, because I definitely spent $100 on that. Anywho, scooting over. Oh no, it went out of stock. Okay, it must have not been meant for me to get it. So I had my eye on a tool. This is by BYE. It is the Glow Facial Hydro Infusion Pore Cleansing Plus Blue LED Clarifying Tool. And I wanted this, but I was like, do I need this right now? And I kind of like really want it now that it went out of stock. And it says it's online only. It has a blue light, so it clarifies, but then it kind of sucks the gunk out of your skin. Oh no, it's like I'm interested in that. real bad. Real bad. A tool to reduce the look of blackheads, oil, and gunk while infusing skin with visibly clarifying and plumping salicylic and hyaluronic acids, plus a blue LED for a clear, healthy looking complexion. It wasn't meant for me to get it this go round. Maybe I'll put it on my Christmas list, but I'm gonna go ahead and just remove that from my cart. It's hearted, so it's in my favorites, but I guess it's not meant for me to have that today. That's all that is. That's all. That's it. That's it. That's all. So now I have the Westman Atelier Vital Pressed Skincare Blurring Talc Resetting Powder, and I knew that I wanted to have this because I already purchased it earlier in the year, and I did a video. Gotta get you guys that video. And I purchased Dune, or is it Dune? I think it's Dune. But I really needed creme. So I have that in my cart. I want to have that. That powder is so silky smooth. It is so nice. It is velvety. It makes your skin look just soft and blurred. So I love that. Love Westman Atelier. The powder is not as big as anything but a minute, but I still want to have it because I love the effects of it. So I have that in my cart. I probably am going to go ahead and grab that. All right, y'all. I did not buy this one only. This one is the Tom Ford Shade and Illuminate Highlighting Duo in the shade Mood Light. And as you all may have seen, may or may not, Tom Ford has come out with a plethora of new cheek products, including new Shade and Illuminate Sculpting, new highlighter duos. And I purchased all of them with the exception of Mood Light because Mood Light is the one that I already had, but I paid a little visit to the Tom Ford counter yesterday, and one of the sales associates that I know told me that Mood Light actually is a different color than the original Mood Light, so it's not the same. So I'm like, dag, do I need that? And I couldn't make up my mind, so I put it in my cart. I didn't purchase it from the Tom Ford counter because, of course, Sephora is offering, 20% off, so of course, like, sorry, I need my 20%. But I'm kind of leaning towards getting it, but also I'm like, I don't know, I'm kind of leaning towards getting it. Like I was gonna say, I might not get it, but I probably might. I don't know, we'll see. Next, I really have my eye on more from Haus Labs because I've been really impressed thus far with what I've tried. So I really want this Optic Intensity Eco Gel eyeliner pencil. I really want to get the color Chartreuse Green. And it's a matte color, and I think it'll look so pretty and popping, especially for winter, which don't be scared of color, because sometimes when you think of winter, you think of like, more dreary, monotoned type colors, but sometimes you want to add something a little bit more popping back into your makeup wardrobe. So I'm leaning more so towards getting that. All right, so next, I really want this Valentino Grande or Grande stud face and body brush, and I really want this, but I really don't know how much I would actually use it, but it's like I just really want it, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and pull that trigger. Have y'all tried any of the new Rare Beauty lip liners and lipsticks? Let me know. I'm intrigued. Kind Words lip liner. I have Y's in my cart, and then I also tell myself how many brown lip liners do I need, but then always I'm looking at my brown lip liners like, I need some more in different tones. So I'm interested in the lip liner, maybe a lipstick or so, maybe. YSL has a new lipstick formula out that I want to have some of. Rouge Per Couture, the bold high pigment lipsticks, but I don't know which color I want. I don't know if I 100% want it because they look kind of glossy, and I don't know why I feel like they look sheer a little bit, even though it says it's the bold high pigment lipsticks. Plus all of the shades look either reddish or kind of orangey like, so I don't know which one I would want. I might get one or two, I might get none, I don't know, we'll have to see. I don't know if I want this Haus Labs Power Sculpt Velvet Bronzer with fermented arnica. I keep looking at it when I go to Sephora, and I feel like my shade that I would have to use is a little bit more warm than I would typically go for. So I don't know. I think I would have to get 9 because 8 would be too similar to my complexion. But I haven't decided if I'm going to buy that or say bye to it. This isn't a buy or buy, but it's always buy or buy, Tatcha has come out with body wash and lotion. And this one is the Hinoki Gentle Exfoliating Body Wash. I am pretty intrigued. I'm a big fan of Tasha. I love their work. So I'm imagining that I would like the body wash. And then the body milk lotion, I don't know if I want this or not because I have really dry skin, especially my elbows. Them elbows be rough. It's like I just am in camp or something all the time, but I'm not. I don't know why my elbows get that rough like that, so I don't know. It has squalane, peach tree, leaf extracts, forest awakening essential oil blend, and this all helps to calm and relax the mind. It helps to calm and relax the mind while visibly renewing dry skin and locking in moisture. Honey, I need to calm and relax this ash. I don't know about calming and relaxing minds. I need my skin to not be ashy more than I need my mind to be relaxed from lotion, so I don't know. Those are strong claims. I might check it out. Last but certainly not least is a fragrance from the brand Fleur, which I've never tried anything from them. I've never even smelled anything from them. They just have that it factor that kind of draws me into what they're talking about. So they have a scent called Somebody Would. It's an eau de parfum. And the notes are sandalwood, amber, and musk, which aren't typically things that, you know, scream Kelsee, but it's in the earthy and woody fragrance family, and I do like scents like that for the fall season sometimes if done correctly. And I don't know why I feel like this brand is going to have something that draws me in, so I may purchase this. And y'all know I really don't do small stuff that much, but I might go with the Discovery sampler set. Tell me what you all have been purchasing during this event, because I love to know what you guys are bringing home. What warranted the spending of the coinage? Let me know what you all have hauled down in the comment section. As per usual, if y'all like content like this, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you let a girl know down in the comment section. And most of all, make sure you subscribe and turn on that bell to become a Kel Bell. And I want to say thank you again to Top Cashback for collaborating with me. Once again, your girl appreciates it. I love and adore y'all. And y'all, sign up for Top Cashback. A link will be in my description box. With the new account, you get the $10 sign up bonus. Plus you save that percentage back. Plus while the event is going on, you do save that percentage as well. So honey, wins on top of wins on top of wins. So I will check you out in my very next video, which will be super soon. Smooches. Bye.